into movement. But this is the Vaibhav Sooryavanshi we've come to know and come to love. Oh, he hits it big. He hits it long. He hits it out of the ground. There's a 14-year-old who slashes at that ball. Calls for catch, but there's no fielder there. Full toss. A gift. Fetch that. Just fetch that. Again tries to clear the infield and does it with aplomb.
And goes through with the shot. That's the hallmark of Vaibhav Sooryavansh's batting.
There it goes. Smacked over extra cover. What a brilliant knock. Another 100. Just 32 balls to get to this 102. 10th boundary for him. 9 sixes along with that to get to this magnificent century.
He goes again. Goes short. Is there a chance? Ah! Shortish. And punished. Meanwhile, a 150 partnership. And you can add a few more runs to it. This over was going without a boundary. Vaibhav recognized that, changed it in an instant. Upish calls for catch it. Oh, there you go. That chapter has ended. That page with Vaibhav Sooryavansh's story in this match ends with that catch in the deep. Disappointment, yes. But remember, he scored 144 before that.
You know, of all the deliveries that he got out on, that will hurt him a little bit. That was bowled faster by the spinner Faraz. And remember, Faraz was the one who produced that opportunity with the very first ball that he bowled, and he was dropped. Take nothing away. 144 of 42 deliveries. He's absolutely entertained the fans and everyone around the world. What a knock this has been from young Vaibhav Sooryavanshi. India A on 195 for 3.